LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this move exactly here, I mentioned if we get any reversal, we can look for buy, and this is what we get. That's why I mentioned with the breakout of 1780, which is this line, I mentioned if there is a breakout, the next level I'm looking for is 186. All right, as we can see, the price couldn't break the 186, and then we see the reversal. And right now, we're looking at this correction. Anyway, we move to daily chart, we want to see what's the next. And if we move to daily chart, still we want to see the breakout of the 200, because the most important level right now we're looking for is the 200, because this is the we can consider as a previous top. All right, the only thing is we want to see whether we can get any correction similar to what we have here. That means we can expect this one turn to a running flat or not, because any daily correction, it can give us better confirmation for price to break the 200. Rather than that, we have nothing else to discuss. And if we move to forward chart, this is what we have been looking for. We mentioned we want to see the price tag 186, as I mentioned the price tag, and there was no breakout, because with the breakout of 186 we were really looking for 194 following by 200. All right, that's why we mentioned if anyone is trading based on lower time frame, this is the levels we're looking for. And if we refer to the forward chart, if we put this stop in relative to the previous one, as if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That means still we can look for continuation. The only thing is we want to see whether we can get any correction similar to what we get here, because internally we have a running flat. Okay, and we mentioned there is a possibility within this zone somewhere between 186 following by 194. We are expecting to get the any correction similar to what we get here. Rather than that, we don't have anything to discuss. The only thing is we want to see how complex can be this correction, and we want to see the breakout of 186 right now. And if I move to 1 hour chart, for those traders, they get the trade either from here or at the lower price. Right now, they should move their stop loss somewhere around 172. That means if we put this line here, we don't want to see the breakout of 173. Maybe we put it as a 172. That's why we can move our stop loss to 172 in case there is this one turn to a more complex or deeper correction. At least we can book our profit. And right now we want to see the breakout of 186. If there is a breakout, the next level based on 1 hour chart, I'm looking for 194. But right now, most as I mentioned, based on daily chart, we are more interested to see the breakout of 200. From now, if you want to look for trade, as long as the price haven't break 200, we need to be quite careful. And as I mentioned, we don't have anything else to discuss. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.